Hello everyone, welcome. In this video we are going to solve this equation, which is the square root of x, the power of x over ln x, which is equal to the square root of a. Find the value of x which satisfies this equation. So let's go to the solution. In the first step, let's record the problem, which is the square root of x power of x over ln x, which is equal to the square root of a. So in the first step, simply we have to square both sides in order to eliminate the radical sign. So when squaring this one, squaring both sides, so it will be, this radical will be eliminated. So x power of x over ln x, which is equal to a. Then this equation can be solved by using two methods. The first one is by using substitution, and also the second one is by introducing logarithm. So let's see method one, which is by using substitution. So let u, which is equal to ln x. So by the definition of natural logarithm, this logarithmic equation can be converted into exponential equation as ax is equal to e to the power of u. So let's substitute e to the power of u in the place of x. So a power of u power of a power of u over ln x is equals to u, which is equal to a. So here this can be expressed as a to the power of u power of 1 over u times e to the power of u, which is equal to a. So power u is cancelled here, so the remaining will be a power of u, e to the power of e power of u, which is equal to a. So this can be written as e power of u, which is equal to e power of 1. So as you have seen here, we have the same base. So e, which is equal to e, and also let's take the exponent, a power of u, which is equal to 1. So introducing logarithm on both sides for this equation, ln and also here ln, which is equal to ln of 1. So this will be u ln of a, which is equal to ln of 1. So we know that this ln 1 is 0 and ln a is 1. So u times 1, which is equal to 0, which implies that u, which is equal to 0 over 1, which is 0. So now we have u, which is equal to 0. So now we have u, which is equal to 0, but we can take x, which is equal to e to the power of u, which is equal to e to the power of 0. So this e to the power of 0, which is any number to the power of 0, will be 1. So we have x, which is equal to 1. And also in the second method, method 2, we have equation x power of x over ln x, which is equal to e. So in this method, simply introducing logarithm on both sides. So ln of x power of x over ln x, which is equal to ln of e. So the exponent will come to the base. So x over ln x times ln x, which is equal to ln e. So ln x is cancelled. So x, which is equal to ln of a, which is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. So now let's verify whether x which is equal to 1 satisfies the equation or not. So we have x power of x over ln x which is equal to a. So here we have x which is equal to 1. So 1 power of x is 1 divided by ln of 1 which is equal to a. So we know that ln 1 is 0. So 1 power of 1 is over 0 which is equal to a. So it is undefined. So the exponent here is undefined. So 1 power of this one is different from the a. So the exponent here is undefined. So from here we conclude that the equation x power of x over ln x which is equal to a has not a solution. So thank you very much for watching. Have a nice time. Bye bye.